Hey guys, it's Annie, and first and foremost, I want to thank you for your patience because I've been absent from YouTube for a bit, but that's because I've been working on something huge for you. And I'm gonna tell you about it today. So I'm really excited to officially announce here on my YouTube channel that I'm hosting a challenge called the 10-Day Manifestation Activation Challenge. And this is more than just a little simple challenge. This is an in-depth, free 10-day challenge, an in-depth experience. I have 10 guest speakers who are all manifestation experts, and I will bet you that you recognize many of their faces. If you're into manifestation, you've seen these people on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. I will get into who our guest speakers are shortly, but before we get any further, I want to let you know right now you can register. So click the link down below. It's free. Register. This event starts November 28th and it goes through December 9th. So let me tell you a little bit about the event, shall we? First of all, a lot of it will be held within a private Facebook group. So when you get your welcome email after you sign up, you're gonna wanna search your email, find that welcome email, make sure it's moved to your primary folder. And in that welcome email, there is a link to the Facebook group where you can get in. And if you're one of those people who aren't into Facebook, I completely get it. If you don't have Facebook, I challenge you to just I challenge you to create a Facebook. It can be super simple. It doesn't have to have all your details. It can just have like your first name and last initial, and you can use it just as your portal access entrance into the Facebook group. So that's where the challenge community will be held, but there will also be 2 live Zoom sessions a day. So the first session will be led by me, and I will be doing energy healing meditations every single day with you. I'll also be sharing with you my manifestation stories and manifestation lessons. Now, going back to the energy healing meditations, this is a crucial part to the experience. A big part of manifestation is your vibrational state, is your energy. So every day for these 10 days, we're going to really be going in and clearing your energy and really working with all of your energy centers. So by the time that you're done with this 10-day experience, you're feeling really clear, like you feel a shift in your emotional state, in your vibration. And it's from that clarity, when you have clear energy and you're centered and your mind's clear, that is when your intuition hops online. That is when you can tap into your purpose. That is when you can really feel into the heart-centered things that you want to manifest. People can manifest from their ego. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, the nice flashy things, there's nothing wrong with that. But the kind of manifestation that I like to teach is what is in your heart? What is your soul craving? What is meant for you? Those are the things that manifest in ways that feel magical, divinely led. I definitely do manifestation through a spiritual lens. If that sounds like it resonates with you, then this is definitely going to be the challenge for you. So again, session 1 of the day is with me doing meditation, energy healing work. We're going to be going through manifestation lessons. I will share with you a bunch of different manifestation stories of mine because I feel like we learn really well through story. And I will also be giving you a challenge for the day. So an assignment, you could say, but we're gonna call it a challenge because this is a challenge. So every day I'm gonna give you something to actively do. So you're clearing your energy, you're taking action, aligned action, and you're going to build up momentum through this 10 days. And not to mention, in this Facebook community of like-minded humans, we're all going to be sharing our wins, sharing all the signs and synchronicities, celebrating each other, and it's going to just create this like upward spiral of momentum and manifestation, beautiful, magical energy. So yeah, session 1. With me. The second session of the day will be the speaker session. So I have 10 speakers, so that's 1 session a day. So each day I will be bringing on a manifestation expert. I'll be interviewing them. They'll be sharing their life transformation manifestation stories. Every single person I have speaking, they all are coaches, are mentors. They do spiritual work. They're intuitives. They teach manifestation. They've all walked through their hero's journey and are living in their purpose. And I believe that if you're here watching this and you're drawn to me or you're drawn to any of the speakers, it's because you see something in us that is in you. And my intention is for you, being surrounded by all of us who have really stepped into our soul callings, that will activate it in you. So that's the energy I want to infuse into this experience. If this is sparking interest in you, I just want you to sign up for one, but also tell yourself, I will show up for these 10 days. For 10 days, I can do this. And if you can't make the live calls, they will be recorded so you can catch the replay. And then 1 week after the challenge, the recordings will be taken down, but you will be able to access the replay during the challenge period if you were curious on that. So click the link, get your free ticket. You will get more information coming up as far as timing of the calls and things of that nature. But I know a lot of you are probably curious about who the guest speakers are. So let's look at that. And the order I'm sharing is not the order of the days they're speaking. So our first guest expert speaker is Master Sri Akarshana. He is a yogi master. He is a manifestation and spiritual master. He's just always been so kind. And as soon as I asked him if he wanted to be a part of this experience, it was just like, of course I'm in. I want to support your community and I would love to be a part of this. And if you don't know who he is, I would be surprised because he has a massive YouTube and Instagram and I think TikTok. I don't use TikTok really, so I don't know about TikTok. I'm very excited for him to be joining. He genuinely is a manifestation master. You're going to love learning from him. The next speaker is Lindsay Atkinson. I've had her on my channel before. She is all about that manifestation life. She has one of the most massive, beautiful manifestation life transformation stories ever. If you have not yet watched the video I did with her on her story, definitely watch it. Otherwise, come join the experience in the challenge and hear her story again and find out some of her biggest tips because her story is wild and inspiring. Clifford, can you not? All the animals. Next, we have Lucy England Deuce, also known as Life by Lucy on all the social medias. I've done videos with Lucy as well. Lucy is an expert at scripting. That's like a thing she is known for here on YouTube. And I just absolutely love Lucy. She is a wellness and manifestation coach. The next speaker is my dear friend, Carissa Johnson. She is a medium. She is an intuitive. She does shamanic healing. She's also done events and spoke with Jack Canfield. If you know the book that I always talk about, The Success Principle, she's done events with Jack Canfield, and I don't remember his name, but the guy who wrote Think and Grow Rich. So she's been on some big panels and stages and events before, and she's one of my most favorite humans in the world, and her mediumship abilities are spot on. I have some videos with her on my YouTube channel. Check them out. Carissa is amazing. The next speaker is another dear friend of mine, Rebecca Boatman. She is a relationship mentor. People like to refer to her as a dating bestie. She's all about manifesting your aligned relationship, your aligned, evolved soulmate. I absolutely love Rebecca, and I also have some videos with her as well if you want to check them out. The next speaker is Pernilla Stryker. She has built a massive following on all of her platforms, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. Her videos are amazing, and she is like this little bright spark of sunshine. Like every time you talk to her, she just has the most beautiful energy, just high vibe. Like no wonder she's manifested so many things, because she's just like a magnet for all things good. Next we have Awaken with Tina, or Tina Wong, who I've also done videos with, and Tina is an energy alignment mentor. So like she does energy healing, she's an intuitive guide, so a lot of like, you know, the psychic stuff she does as well. And I'm so pumped for Tina to bring her literal magic into this experience. Next we have Julia, and I'm gonna have to read her last name because I can never remember how to pronounce it. Julia Guerrieri. I may have butchered that, but she is a manifestation expert and coach, and she also, as well as everyone else on this panel, just has her massive audience on TikTok and Instagram and all the things. Julia is like a badass manifestation coach, but she combines business coaching with manifestation. She has like this really cool grounded energy, but also super spiritual. Like she's so balanced, and I love that about her. And her manifestation tips online are So if you're not following her, you definitely should, and I hope to actually do a collab video with her soon. And next we have Beth from the Spiritually Rich Co. Beth has been following me for a while, and I've had awareness of her. And just over this last year, she created a manifestation Instagram account and started coaching. And her Instagram within a year has over 100,000 followers. Again, like, I've known of her for the last few years, so just to see her take off this last year has been very inspiring. Clearly she knows her way around the manifestation world because she has truly manifested her dream life, and I've heard parts of her story. She was at a very low and different place compared to where she's at now. And lastly, we have Tresnani. She is also someone who's been following me for years, and she's checked in with me through DMs over the last however many years. So as she's checked in, I've noticed her progress and growth, and now she's to this place where she has like 800,000 TikTok followers and hundreds of thousands on Instagram, and she teaches manifestation. So she went from someone who was just watching, you know, manifestation videos to manifesting her dream life, and now she teaches it herself. And just seeing her skyrocket like that as well has just been like so inspiring to me. So I feel like she has a lot of wisdom to share from growing that much in all areas of her life in such a short amount of time. And that is the panel of expert guest speakers. I hope you will join us being in this energy with all of these high level, high energy, powerful humans. My intention is that this challenge is what sparks the purpose in everyone joining, in you joining. I remember the first time I went to a conference, the host on the stage was saying to the audience, next year, some of you might be the people who are standing on this stage as the speakers, depending on how this year goes. I remember her saying that, and I was like, yeah, right, that would be terrifying. She's not talking to me. The next year, at that conference, I was on that stage. So you never know what can happen. Again, the link to join is down below. This is free. Say it to yourself, if she can do it, I can do it. If they can do it, I can do it. If you're excited for this challenge, please hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let me know what you're most excited about. Let me know if you recognize any of those speakers, and let me know if you're gonna join us. So go sign up now, check your inbox, get in the Facebook group. We start November 28th. And if you're seeing this and we're already into the challenge, you can still join. So click the link anyway. And yeah, this is gonna change lives. And I'm really grateful for everyone joining and everyone involved. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the challenge. All right, bye guys.